Okay, so annyeonghaseyo level 1. So this is our 4th week of Thursday of giving out snack. Okay, so that is from Dongjunin.
Annyeonghaseyo, Dongjunin. Thank you for the snacks. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo level 2. So this is the last Thursday. So the 4th Thursday that I am going to give you snack, and that is from Dongjunin.
Dongjunin, annyeonghaseyo. Thank you for the snacks. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo High School. So Hyacinth is excused, so I'm gonna give the snack to Hyacinth. Kasi idol ni Hyacinth niyo. Ikaw, Rowena. So you will give Hyacinth her snack, ha? So this is the last Thursday of giving out our snack. So this is the 4th week of Thursday giving out snack, and that is from Dongjunin.
Annyeonghaseyo, Dongjunin. Thank you for the snack. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. So Faith, today is your birthday. Today is October 23rd. 22? 24. Sorry. October 24 your birthday, Faith's birthday. So let's sing happy birthday to Faith, P.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Faith. How old are you?
Barog, Faith. Barog, how old are you? 8. Okay then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Happy birthday, Faith. Ka-cute.
Annyeonghaseyo. So today, darang bugas nagpalit na nagpra. So thank you kayo. And nagatag ni is from Amagitonim. Amagitonim. Kamsahamnida. Bye bye. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So tonight we'll be having our
Movie Marathon.
and you have your
Snack.
that is from Yongtaknim.
Yongtaknim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, so ate distribute ha. Sige, dali. So naka-receive na tanan?
Yes!
So that is from
Yongtaknim. Kamsahamnida.
let's have our movie marathon. Oh, pwede na.
Love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
Oy, ata.
Love is all that I can give to you.
Water lang ha. Magkuhan na mo ba?
Sugar and salt.
right.
That's
Right. Never left.
That's right. Never left.
Yes.
That's right. Never left.
Manda!
Mana ka, Inday? Makahuman lagi taon ko. Tolo.
Ano nga pa?
Kung kanina lang o kakuha. Pila nung nakumangki siya. Ano? Pila ba? Pila ng tato.
Sige siya na padawa sa mood.
Kahit kami na nakilala bilang utak na
Puro din mo.
bibigay din sa mga
Naman.
ng murang kilalang katotohanan.
Teacher, ano na ba yung teacher na?
Ang katwiran kay Wizard. Ang
Umano, 100 puro siya.
Kuha naman siya nga din puro kat tumurang guide ninyo.
Show you up.
Ipabasa ra to.
Malayahan ay hindi lang nakasalalay sa paglaya ng bayan, kundi sa kalayaan ng bunhi at katotohanan sa puso.
Ay, sayop na po. Great.
Tao na nagsasakuan ng kabubulaan na
Kanita ng kit o ang ira. Ha? Ang ira kay AUB ba, teacher? Teacher, AUB ba?
Ay, asa ganito? Mao na lang ni? Same ra ato katong may characteristics inday. Kabantay ka to imong giansiran katong may badlis duha. Kato ba kinauhan ani ay karo di. Ay dili. Kato ba may characteristic? Oh. Mana isuwat ko rin. Na mga keyword lang parehas ani. Ako to. Di katong giansiran. Katong may characteristic. Dili katong isa. Kasi mo giansiran ba? Ana. Awa, na yung characteristics parehas sila.
Dili na ba na nag-ilong sa nature ha?
Title.